James, James, the birds are hopping out of their nest.
Can I see?
Yes.
Why are they hopping out of their nest? Do they have feathers?
They do. One's looking at you. Do you see it? The one on the far side of the nest.
I'm gonna put some lotion on them.
Oh, let's not do that.
Because they have a hair spot.
Well, their mama will take good care of them. Look at that.
Yes. Are they big? How many are there? One just got out. Or just flew out.
Yeah, hold on. Look at that. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Hey, birdies.
Wait a minute.
Hey, birdies.
Wait just a minute. This must be the mama bird. Or the papa bird, maybe.
I want to get some lotion.
Oh, no. Okay, we need to put the lotion away.
Here, Mom.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Where did they all fly away?
One.
Or are they still?
There's one.
Still right there.
Hey, why is there a hole in their nest?
That was for them to get in and out.
Oh.
See, he's showing. This is how we fly. He's saying this is how we fly. Look. He says, I don't know. Maybe I'm going to go back in the nest.
He says, I don't know. I'm going to go back in the nest.
He's thinking about it. See?
What's he thinking?
See? Can you see the mama bird out there in the tree? Showing him, this is how we fly.
Hey, why is that baby bird?
He's just thinking.
What is he thinking?
Maybe he's a little nervous. Please leave that alone.
Why did you not cook the rice?
Well, I actually had set up the camera in there.
Can I sit?
Where?
Right here. To see the birds better.
Well, I don't think you'll be able to see the birds from right there.
I can't see them.
Stand still for just a minute. Stand still.
I'm going to push the close button.
Oh my.
Turn the light off. Turn the light
I'm
off.
not going to go turn the light off.
Why?
Because I'm watching the birds. Come over here. Now look out the window. Not Dolly. Okay. Can you see?
Yes.
Every once in a while you'll see that mama bird. Maybe he's going to go. Did you see him?
Yes.
He took off.
Why did he take off? Hey, why is the nest all alone?
Well, the babies have grown up. They flew this morning. Yay, baby birds!
Yay, baby birds! Did Papa forget to see them?
Well, I don't know if Papa looked at them this morning or not.
What's that?
Ready to get down?
Yes.